To change the sender's email on WooCommerce, first navigate to the Settings tab, then choose the Emails tab, and then you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, past all of the emails, and you'll find a section saying Email Sender Options. Now the from name needs to be your business name, and from email address, obviously your email address. You can also design the email template in this section. There's not too much you can do, but you can change the base color, background colors, and body text color.